Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that's super useful if you're invested in sovereign gold bonds with a CC Bank. The title is How to See Sovereign Gold Bond in a CC 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check your holdings step by step. Sovereign gold bonds, or SGBs, are government-backed securities that let you invest in gold without the hassle of physical storage. They're a smart way to hedge against inflation, and with 2025 on the horizon, it's a great time to review your investments, especially if you have bonds maturing soon. First things first, make sure you have your CC Bank net banking credentials ready. This process is straightforward and can be done from your phone or computer. Step 1. Log in to the CC Bank iMobile app or net banking website. If you're not registered, head to the CC website and set it up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Dashboard or Accounts Overview section. Look for the Investments tab. That's where the magic happens. In the Investments menu, scroll down to find Daymont Holdings or Securities. Sovereign gold bonds are often listed under government securities or bonds. Step 2. Click on Holdings or Portfolio. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Search for Sovereign Gold Bond using the search bar if it's available. For 2025 specific bonds, check the maturity date column. It might show bonds issued in previous years that mature in 2025. Next, select the SGB you want to view. You'll get detailed info like the quantity in grams, current value based on gold prices, interest earned, and maturity details. If you need to redeem or sell, there might be options right there, but always double-check the terms. One tip. Keep an eye on market fluctuations, as gold prices can affect your bond's value. Also, if you're new to this, consider consulting your bank for personalized advice. There you have it. That's how you view your sovereign gold bonds in a CC for 2025. It's easy once you get the hang of it, and it helps you stay on top of your investments. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.